We plant acacia and eucalyptus crops for industrial fibre. I'm John Bennett. I'm Technical and Support Manager at April. My current area of responsibility is operation drones for pest control and weed control. April is a leading forestry and manufacturing company based in Riau province in Indonesia, focused on sustainable fibre plantations, pulp, paper, viscose rayon and paperboard, with a strong commitment to technology and sustainability for the April 2030 vision. Our total plantation area managed is over 600,000 hectares. Operations are across different estates including flat and contoured terrain. Typically we do a number of operations per year depending on the crop stage and risk level. Monitoring is done regularly to ensure timely intervention. Our traditional application methods are through manual backpack spraying. It is very labour intensive and time consuming. One of the major challenges is area coverage and consistency of application. This is normally done by labour operations, which is highly human dependent, and also the inconsistency of the labour. The DJI T100 is very user-friendly and efficient. There is less physical strain for operations, giving greater diversity to our workforce. The drone can adopt to terrain with the LiDAR and radar sensors. First of all, we do a site safety check and plan. We then do our mapping route for our RTK autonomous flights. We then do quality mixing of our chemicals and then carry out our drone operational flights. We utilise the DJI operational platform to produce digitally accurate maps for our application. This is our data logging and for reporting purposes. We have a very positive collaboration with DJI. They have supplied us support in training, parts and in-field support for our technical advancements. DJI is very responsive to feedback and always looking for greater improvements. This helps us in our scale up of our technology and adaptation to technology within our plantation operations. The DJI T100 greatly supports our operation to improve company's operational efficiency. We target 5 flights per hour, which covers around 2 to 2.5 hectares per hour. This easily equates to around 70 hectares per day. This allows us to complete the work faster with consistent results. This efficiency supports our sustainability commitment through more optimal spraying distribution, significantly reducing the use of chemical and water. This aligns with our decade-long sustainability commitment, April 2030, particularly the sustainable growth pillar, where we have successfully reduced the water and chemical usage by more than 50%. Absolutely, the condition of our plantation forests vary widely, from the flatlands to hilly contours. The DJI Agras T100 is equipped with radar and LiDAR sensors capable of detecting terrain, contours and in-field obstacles. This technology supports safer, more efficient and more sustainable operations, not only enhancing the safety of our employees, but also contributing to carbon footprint reduction through improved field efficiencies.
Sustainability starts here!